So let's get into the cellar because sometimes, so there's the rubbish bin, you cannot see it, I can't see it. So when that one falls over, stuff kind of sounds very funny as well. So what has been happening up? Is there something? I don't know. It all looks regular. What was that? It was rather something on the roof. You know, the noise, like birds flying into the roof. And by that, making this strange noise that goes all along like the roof. The lining you got there or whatever. Oops. That one really makes me sad, you know. I took a few of its leaves and then all the others kind of fell off when it was storming in summer. So that one is fine, but you see the snails got their eat right here. So they eat all this stuff rather than some more of the sunflowers. That one goes away. Well, I don't know what the noise was. I know the sound when a bird flies into the window, like if the sky is reflected, the birds tend to, fly in there. So that's the cat food, like the coffee cream, and that one even gets eaten by the snails. Yeah. So it's like, you know, it is still kind of light outside, but you see inside, if I want to see stuff properly, I don't really. I have no idea what the sound. This is a kind of a stinky bag. I would love to have that one somewhere else, so I'll buy smaller ones so that I don't have that stinking bag right there. Yeah. So the sound hasn't come back. You know, I'm like investigating. It all looks the same. No book has fallen over because I have put too many things to press into it. Funny. So the kitchen I checked already. Maybe. No. These bottles look the same. Over here, nothing can fall. Yeah, it must be those young birds because they live somewhere up on the roof. I don't think I have mice in that space on top of the house underneath the roof. You know? It's like when you live in a house like this, you gotta take care of things. So like, this wood was behind the house molding because there the sun never shines. So I put it there. So now the sun shines onto it. It's not molding because it's got some kind of shield. And now still the insects can live in it. Stuff like that. Down here a frog is living. A salamander was right there, dead. Don't know what killed the salamander. So when it's raining heavily, you don't want things to fly around. Like this one is so heavy it cannot fly towards the house. right? That one was molding beneath, so I put it like this, so it doesn't serve as a staircase up here anymore, but I don't care. You know, stuff like that happening. I really don't know what the sound was. I never heard such a kind of disturbing, you know, like something cracking, something jumping, sort of a noise. If I only had recorded it. Let's check the interior, because once it is dark, like in here, open window, but it's kind of dark, right? Did something fall over? No. First thing I always go check is, has the soap fallen into the bathtub, because that one tends to happen. Also in here it all looks normal, and also here nothing can fall. I really don't get it. That window was closed, nothing can jump in here. So it was the birds. Just to calm my mind, I say so. Bye bye.